Hello. I think that bird's sick. It's not very active. Well, the bird doesn't look like he wants to move, and he's in our garage, and we have to go out and close the garage, so I'm just wondering if he'll be okay in there. So I think we might give him some food and water, and hopefully he'll be okay in our garage until we get back. So I don't really have any bird food, so I'm going to give him a piece of croissant and a little bowl of water. When I tried to give him the food and water, he flew away and went up there. See, there he is. So he's not so sick, actually. He can fly up there. I mean, that's more than I can do. But I don't want to lock him in the garage. Photographer. Bird. Photographer. Bird. Well, we're back in the Sydney house again today. Yuko's come down with me today to do a bit more work, and there's been some progress. The frames have all been painted, and the bathroom has progressed significantly. Have a look. So that the walls have been done. Don't know if I can turn on the light, but it's looking much better, obviously. Starting to rip up the edges of the carpet. Oh, they've painted the skirting boards. It's very exciting indeed. Let's go and have a look at the little woman, see what she's doing. Oh, there she is. There she is down there, doing some gardening. Well, we've been working hard. Now we're drinking cold things. Congratulations. Well, we've come home and the bird is still in our garage. It's up there. There it is, on that wire. Looks quite healthy now. Maybe he drank the water.
Yeah, you did.
Oh look, he's flying around.
How do you know that sick? Did you know that?
Don't leave the door open. You might go inside. Well, I opened both our garage doors to give the bird more opportunity to get out, because he couldn't find a way out, just one door open. Hence the expression, bird brain. But I think he might have gone now. I can't see him. What are you doing there?
Making my dessert.
Dessert?
Dessert. Because we don't have custard.
You're a custard tart holic, aren't you?
Yes.
And there's no custard tarts. So she's got to make, what is it?
Tamagoyaki.
Tamagoyaki, which is fried egg, but it's sweet, isn't it?
Yes.
Look at that. What is that? Oh, that's just egg.
Yes.
But you put some sweet thing in it.
Yes.
What, just sugar?
Yes.
Well, there you have it. This is not the Yushi sushi, but it's similar.